What's good mga brodies? Today we are back with another video. So, wala tayong ride today. Errands day lang tayo. May mga dadali lang akong pyesa sa one pot shop. And then get coffee tapos magbabarong fitting. And probably find a cafe, read a good book, tapos get back home. Kasi meron kaming ilalakad ni Kina for dinner. So, tara, sama kayo sa akin. Let's go!
A few moments later.
Alright mga brody, so ngayon nandito na tayo sa One Pot Shop. Meron akong gustong gawin na camera setup. Baka nyo, wait lang mga brodies. Okay, so may gusto ko itry para ibahin yung POV natin. Pero kasi parang medyo wonky siya tingnan eh. Eto siya. Ngayon, pag ginawa ko yan, parang masyadong distracting sa akin. Kasi parang pag nakalagay yan dyan, it's really in your face eh. So, fail tayo dyan. Mission fail tayo dyan. Okay, so na-establish na natin na hindi ganun ka-okay ang magiging setup natin. Medyo nakakatakot eh kasi nakalaylay eh yung camera. But yeah, wanted to give it a try.
Bobo ang puta.
Let me know din mga brodies kung kamusta yung audio quality kasi I've been getting a lot of feedback din from you guys, lalo na sa mga friends ko. A lot relating to yung audio quality. So, I want to try to improve din yung quality ng videos natin, syempre. Ay nako, may nag-U-turn ng biglaan.
Higanting tanga ka talaga.
So yeah, right now we're on our way to Makati. Papa-fit lang ako ng barong. And after that, let's go to a cafe. Parang sarap magkape ngayon. Malamig ang simoy na hangin pero medyo mainit dahil direct tayo sa araw. So yun, EDSA gaming tayo. Let's go. Alam niyo, there's an old saying that goes that there are two things certain in life. Ngayon, gusto ko siyang gawing three things. Tagdadagan natin. First is death, second is taxes, and third, traffic sa EDSA. My gosh. But, kaya nga tayo nagmotor para mapadali ang buhay. Sorta. Init nga lang. So, it says here sa Waze ko, this is coming from One Pot Shop to go to Makati. It's going to take me half an hour. At this rate, baka maging 45. So, yeah, let's just wait and see.
2,000 years later.
And just like that, sabi ng Waze, 12 minutes na lang, nandun na tayo. We are nearing Rockwell na, pero bakit ang layo pa rin? Sobrang traffic pa rin. My God. Oh, mas ginagawa pa ang kalsada, oh.
No!
Finally! Makakalisa tayo, EDSA. Let's go, Hilpuyat. Ay, sa wakas. Let's go. Oh. Puro angal eh, no? Pero tuloy pa rin sa pagmumotor. Laban mo yan, brody. Let's go. So, ngayon, 8 minutes na lang daw tayo from our destination. Will we make it in time? Abangan.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, and just like that, with the magical powers of editing, nandito na tayo sa Air Mall. Okay. So, hanap muna tayo ng parking. Ayun na nga ba sinasabi ko. Ngayon yung mounting point natin. Pumigay na. Ayusin natin ito mamaya. Teka lang.
Bobo ang puta.
So, nakahanap tayo ng pwesto para mapagparkan. So, I might as well get lunch here. So, we are currently supposed to go to SMDC Air Residences. So yung gumagawa ng barong is from here. So nakaroon tayo ng pwesto here. It's called Pau. And we'll have to try it out. Tapos mamaya re-remedyohan ko yung camera mount issue natin. Dang! Grabe mga brodies. Seems legit.
I'm on my fucking lunch break, okay?
Alright, mga brodies. Pag-lunch na tayo, naayos na rin natin yung camera mount natin. So balik tayo sa side mount gaming, side mirror mount gaming to be correct. So, hanap tayo ng coffee shop, then chill muna tayo, read a book, and yeah, palipas mo oras tayo bago natin kitain si Kina. Let's go! Yung mga brodies, that's one thing I like about sa Vespa. Parang so fun to drive, so easy to get around, especially here in the metro. It's always traffic. You guys agree? Okay, mga brodies, so lipat tayo, punong sa yardstick eh. Ano tayo? Deuces sa Perea na lang. Home court. At ito na, maambun na. Hustle! Hustle! Buti na lang, hindi ako bumiyahe pa uwi. Kasi, uulan na eh. Babagsak na to, any moment. So, sana bago bumuhos, settled in na tayo. And just like that, nandito na tayo sa Perea Street. Wow! So, let's get ourselves settled in, mga brodies. Chilling muna tayo dito kasi umuulan dito sa Makati area. Finally got the time to read a book na matagal na nakatenga sa shelf ko. So I'm just taking this time to detox lang. Basa-basa muna. And then, puro lalakad din tayo. Uwi na tayo kasi may lakad tayo with Kina. So, for now, patila lang ako kasi umuulan ngayon. And then, afterwards, ride na, uwi. Siguro maybe one more chapter tapos tara. Tumila na ang ulan at makakauwi na tayo. Sarap ng ating very brief na me time. Yung mga brodies, I've been meaning talaga to read a book for quite some time now eh. Tapos I said to myself, ngayon 2026, I'll make time for it. I used to read a lot kasi. So, share ko lang. Once upon a time kasi pinangarap ko maging lawyer. So, I spent several years reading law books. Tapos before that naman, I was a bookworm naman. Tapos when I stopped law school, para sabi ko, pahinga muna ako sa basa. Kasi ang dami namin binabasa before eh. Mga cases, yan, jurisprudence, law books, textbooks, ganyan. So, yun. So, trinay ko lang ulit magbasa and kakamiss din. Pauwi na tayo ngayon. And lalabas kami ni Kina. So, baka I'll call it a day na for now. Nothing too exciting for today. So, just wanted to take you guys along sa mga errands ko. And naisingit pa natin makapagkape sa labas. Kina kasi still at work eh. Para pag-uwi natin ngayon, at least ready na tayo lumarga with her. So, yun. If you like these kinds of videos, these kinds of contents, please share your thoughts, comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.